Dear A aspirant, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Projects. Today we try to see what is a dictionary and its type, len, min, max, sum, sorted and reserved. These are the keywords or keyboard functions we try to see on a dictionary, and a dictionary methods, the methods which are very specific to the dictionary type. Get key values items clear copy. Without further delay, now let us jump into the session. So dictionary, a dictionary is a data type which is a pair of a key and values. Okay, now let us see. D is, I am putting a curly braces. This is the key and this is the value. So this is the combination or collection of keys and values is a dictionary. Now let me see. The key can be a name or a string. So now let us see. The key will be number, and we want to write it as in a name, that is nothing but the Suresh. Okay, so next I'm giving one more number and I'm writing Ramesh. Okay, so here 20, 22 are the keys, Suresh and Ramesh are the values. Okay, but the key should be unique, or the key values should be unique. So this is the meaning of an keys and values. This is similar to our normal dictionary. If we want to search the meaning of a word, you must have the word. Similarly, if you retrieve the values in a dictionary, you must know the key. Without the key, we cannot find the value. It is an essence. Now let us see D and type D. So if you print two values, so I need to use print, otherwise only the last statement will be printed. If we want to print two values, okay, so like this I can see a curly braces with a colon, with a key and value is nothing but the dictionary. So 20 Suresh, comma 22 Ramesh, and print D is nothing but the class a dictionary. So this is the meaning of a dictionary. So now let us move what kind of data types it can take for the keys. So D is equal to, so now we have seen integer data types 12.23 colon ABC, I made it as A. Next 23.34 I made it as B. So whether it will work or not, now let us see D. Okay, it is working. So integers and floats are working. Now let us move the same thing to the boolean. Boolean is nothing but true or false. True, false, whether it will work or not. It is working. Now let us take the same thing for the string. Name 1, this is nothing but the name 2. So it is working. Now what are the things? Integer we have seen, float we have seen, boolean we have seen, and string. Now let us take complex. What is the complex? 10, sorry, A plus BJ 20J and 30 plus 40J. It is a comma we need to place. See, we are getting. So now let us say take a list for the keys. Okay, like this, name 1 colon A comma b, this is name 2. We can print it. So we are unhashable type list. So list and a dictionary cannot be used as a keys. So this is the meaning unhashable type, but the rest you can use it. You can use the tuple also, and all the data types you can use it as a values. There is no constraints on the values. So this is the main. Now let us check one of this one. We try to see the len, min, max, sum, reversed, sorted. Okay, these things we try to see it on the dictionary. Okay, now print len d. You can see how many key values pairs as there is a 2. Next, let us take min of d. So it's a 20. So min, max, sum, reversed, sorted is working on the keys, not on the values. And this is the point I want to say. Max is 22. Now print sum d. You can see 42. Now print reversed d. You can see dictionary reversed iterator. So in this case, how you can print iterator mean for I in reversed print I. Okay, you can see it. So how you can separate it? No, print I am making as a new line. So 22 and 20. So reversed. So first 22, next 20. So it is printing. And now last but not least, we try to see sorted. So you can see 20 and 21 ascending order it has been made. So this is the, these are the functions we have seen: len, min, max, sum, sorted, reverse. Type is a very generic. Length, how many key and values pairs are there. Min, max, sum, sorted, reverse, they are only working on the keys. Okay, now let us see the dictionary methods. In order to know the dictionary methods, you can give the dir, dict, sorry. You will see these are the methods we will get it. So these are the things we try to see it. Copy is there, clear is there. So these are the things, values. Okay, now let us take this set. Now we try to put it here. This, okay, get items key, pop item, set default updates. So these are the things we try to see. I am making escape. Yeah. Now let us see one by one. Before that, let me print our dictionary. So now I am taking dictionary copy into the other. So d dot copy. If you want to know the help, or you can put shift tab, it can get it. Okay, so it is. Now let us print the yes. So yes, and now you can print d. So both, if you want to print to, yeah. So 2 times. Now let us see the clear, d dot clear, and now you can print the d. So it is empty dictionary. So in this case again d is equal to s dot copy I am doing, and I am printing the d. So we got the original one. Next one is get. So here what are the keys? 20 and 22. So if you know the key d dot get, okay, you can use the key. The key is nothing but the 20. You can see Suresh, and d dot get 22, you can get the Ramesh. So this one get mean if you provide the key, return the values for the key if the key is in dictionary. Okay, now if this is not there in the dictionary, the value, the key is not there, like d dot get 33, so it will not throw any error, so it will not raise any error. So this is the meaning. Now is there any other way to get the values? So like this you can give the 22, okay, or you can, if it is integer, you can, okay. So this 22 is nothing but this key, but it is not an index. So this 22 is nothing but the key. I am giving d and key. So print. So like this you can. Now let us see in, okay, so now whether it is 20 in d, okay, true, these 20 keys there are in a d, in a dictionary, then it is printing the true. 22 in dictionary, in main, it will give the true or false. 33 in d, false. So what is the generic in and d? What is the different? That is the key. So based on this one you can frame a for loop for I in d, okay, print I. You can see the keys as printed. Yeah, if you know the keys you can print the values. So now for I in d, print, what can I say, d of I. So just if you are printing I, that are all keys. If d of I you are printing, you are getting the values. Otherwise you can use the d dot get, that is the method. What is the difference between d dot get and d followed by the key? D followed by the key, if we are giving within the in brackets, if the key doesn't find, it will raise the error. But d dot get, if the key didn't find in the dictionary, it will not raise any error. So that is the difference. Now let us see the other methods. So next d dot, these are all the methods. Now let us move to the methods. Clear, copy, get we have done. Now let us see the keys. Key, values, items. Okay, now keys. Now let us see the shift. We can see it will a set like object providing the dictionaries keys. Okay, now so what is this type? Dictionaries keys. Is it a list? No. So now let us put it into the yes and type yes. You can see dictionary keys. Now how we need to convert into the list? So that is nothing but the list type conversion. You can do it. Now s is equal to list of s, converting, and type yes. See, it is converted. So keys, values, items we try to see. Default is a dict keys, dict values, dict items. So this is the one thing. So once you have the list, you can print the list. From the list you can follow the list methods we have discussed in the earlier sessions. Now let us move to the values. See, first dict values is the written wherever it is storing the d dot values, whose type will be the dict values. I am converting doing the type conversion into the list, and I am printing this one. Now let us move d dot values. It will try to retrieve the values. D dot keys, it will try to retrieve the keys from the dictionary. Now d dot items, so d dot items, if you can see, it is the return data type will be the dict items. Again I am converting into the list and printing. I can give the print here so that it will be very clear. Okay, so it is making into the list. Yeah, so if we have the list, you can follow the list methods. So d dot items values keys in for loop. So values keys items get copy clear. So these are the important methods on a dictionary. The very important things will be, if we are in the when you are defining the dictionary, if you are using the key, the same key, and updated with the new value, the latest value will be saved. So what is the meaning? So in a dictionary, duplicate keys are not allowed. So even if you are giving the duplicated key, the latest updated value can be assigned. So the old value is gone. So now how do I need to place a new value in the 20? So instead of a Ramesh, I can give it as a Naresh. Okay, so you can see, in place of a Suresh, I have given a Naresh. So this is updating. If we know the key only, in the key, by following this statement you can do. So this is a dictionary is called as a mutable or immutable concept. So we are following with the keys. If you can override the value, then that is called as a mutable. Mutable mean read write with index methods we can do it. So with this one I am concluding. Now let us come to the summary. So what we have discussed, what is a dictionary? A dictionary is called a pair which will be containing the key and values. Now we have seen a type, len, min, max, sum, sorted, reverse. These are the keywords we can apply in a dictionary. Min, max, sum, sorted, reverse is working on a keys. Okay, the keys we have taken is integers or float. It can, if we are using the strings, then it will be used as key values for finding the min, max, sum, sorted, reversed. The sum will be only working for integers and floats. And last but not least, we have seen the dictionary methods: get, keys, values, items, clear, copy, with the examples. I hope you impressed with my video. If you impressed, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and we try to see in the next video. Bye.